Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. Today we're painting a spooky and magical Halloween scene featuring eerie trees, a perched crow, a haunted house, a glowing moon, and a cute little ghost swinging in the night. This beginner-friendly project is perfect for building your confidence with silhouettes, blending, and atmospheric effects. Here's what you'll need. Pause here to gather your supplies. The full list is also in the description below. Let's get started with the background. Squeeze a few drops of cerulean blue, gray mid, and titanium white directly onto your canvas. Using a slightly damp flat brush, blend the colors in smooth horizontal strokes from dark at the top to light near the center. This creates the look of a mysterious night sky. This blended background will set the tone for our spooky scene. Keep your strokes soft and even. This will create a smooth gradient. Let the colors transition smoothly. If you see streaks, soften them out. Once blended, introduce a thin layer of lamp black around the edges of the canvas to frame the scene and deepen the atmosphere. Now let's paint our spooky trees. Load your large flat brush with thin black paint, making sure the bristles are coated but not dripping. Hold the brush vertically and press it down in quick downward strokes to create tree trunks. Vary the pressure as you paint. Press harder at the top for thicker trunks and lift slightly as you move down for thinner bases. To add variety, start some trees lower down so their heights are different. In the center foreground, paint a pointy mountain rising up in front of the trees. On top of this mountain, sketch the silhouette of a haunted house with a tall central tower and two smaller side towers. Keep the shapes sharp and gothic, then fill them completely in black. Once dry, use a small detailing brush and lemon yellow paint to add glowing windows and a door. Leave small black gaps around the edges so the structure stays defined. Next, add half-tree trunks on both sides of your canvas to create a more immersive composition. Use the tip of your filbert brush for quick upward or sideways strokes to paint branches, then switch to a liner brush for thinner, delicate offshoots. Here's a helpful tip. When painting tree silhouettes, don't overload the brush. Leaving some dry brush texture gives them a more haunted, natural look. Now, let's add the swing and crow. On the right tree branch, use your liner brush to paint two thin vertical lines for the swing ropes. Connect them with a small, slightly uneven horizontal rectangle for the seat. On one of the nearby branches, paint a crow silhouette. Start with a small round head and an oval for the body. Add a pointed beak, angled slightly forward, a short tail, and two tiny legs gripping the branch. Fill the crow silhouette in solid black. Time for our star character, the ghost. Use thick titanium white paint and a small brush to paint a round head just above the swing seat. Extend the body downward in a wider, slightly flared shape, like a little frock blowing in the wind. Use wavy, uneven strokes at the bottom to give the ghost a whimsical, sheet-like appearance. Once it's dry, use black paint to add two small oval eyes on the head. As a final touch, switch to your liner brush and paint a small glowing moon just above the haunted house tower. Start with a half circle and complete the shape once the outline looks clean. And that's it. You've just created a haunting Halloween scene, complete with a perched crow, a ghost on a swing, and a glowing moon over a spooky forest. If you enjoyed this painting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Acrylic Arts Academy for more step-by-step tutorials. And remember, you can continue your painting journey with us through our free challenges, free mini course, or our full painting program with limited time community pricing. Visit acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses to learn more. Thank you for painting with us. We can't wait to see your version of this spooky ghost and crow scene.